One last
Hmm.
little thing, I want to just show you how to add a channel. So you click up the top here, add a channel. We choose either an e-commerce channel or an advertising channel. If we're on an e-commerce channel, for example, we can select our kind of go-to quick ones. But if there's a specific channel that you're looking for, you can click in the search for channels here and go down and then see the specific channel, whether it's TikTok, whether it's Wayfair, Shopify.
Wow,
We've got, like I said, like a lot. So
a lot.
you can really go in there and have a good little play around on yourselves.
Hmm. Okay, and then we connect. Just like there's some process to the connection. We kind of get the token from the usually from the marketplace to the connection, like all the validation. Boom, then we get the data. It probably will take some time to populate. No, especially if we have like a lot of data, might take like some time. No.
It does, yeah, it does. It's not surprising, I think I think as a world now, we're so used to having things like done so quickly.
Yes.
But it's just one of these things. It just takes a while to come in,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
It's
Yeah.
got multiple APIs, so it's not unexpected to take a while. But if there is anything, any issues you think that is taking a bit too long, feel free to message us
Yeah.
at Merchant Stream or in the support, and we'll be able to fix it up as soon as we can for you.